Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on Python. So in this tutorial I'll be going over some more user input stuff, more specifically user input with like strings. So let's make a new file, we'll call it if.py. So, let's say you want to ask the user a question, and I'm also going to go over if statements. So, we'll have, let's say we want to ask them if they have fish as pets. So, we'll have fish equals input. Do you have fish? Okay. And my bad, you need to make this raw input. Okay, so that'll ask them if they have fish. So if we, there you go. And we also want to do space just to make it look better. So now we're gonna do an if statement. So it's gonna say if fish equals is yes, print nice. Okay, so with this is making the input lowercase. So if we made this like that, it would mess it up because it makes it lowercase. And if the user entered yes in capital letters, it would still work because it makes it lowercase. So then we're going to have else if, which is elif in Python. So elif fish equals is no. We're going to say print you should get some. And then else, so this is if the user doesn't enter yes or no. We're going to print please answer yes or no. Okay. Sorry, play it. Yes. Play it again. Oh, whoops. Play it again. No. Okay. So, yeah, so that's how to do that. So you could do more with this. You could actually make like an RPG or something. You know, maybe you could have, you could have an integer, and then when you answer the question, you can make like a little quiz. Actually, yeah, that'll what? I'll do a future video on how to do like a quiz with points or something in Python. So yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.